guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do well to like the video, share and also subscribe. Okay, so I will be doing a few DIY series on how I go about styling my hair, how I do my braids, my weaves, my crochet and a lot more styles I do to my hair. Yeah, I've been styling my hair for quite a long time now. So this is just me trying to show you a few tips on how you can go about styling your hair, or things you can actually do to improve your hair growth or elegance basically. So here, as you can see, I'm trying to part my hair into two. All right, this hair is already relaxed and I tinted the hair, yes, using the Revlon 3D color gel with argan oil. Yeah, I really recommend any product with argan oil. The super work for your hair. All right, so I'm trying to stretch my hair now to ensure that I get the actual result. So basically when I stretch my hair, it simply makes it lighter, and take away any form of heaviness. So this is all I'll be doing in this section. So just sit back and enjoy. Okay, so now I'm done stretching my entire hair, and now this moves us to the next step where I had to part the hair, bring out the base, and I'm using the Echo Styler to take down flyovers. And this I'm gonna do, I didn't really apply so much of the Echo Styler because the essence was not to gel up the hair, so it's just to help lay the edges and also give a more visible part. You want to make sure when you're applying any form of hair wax, you want to use a very decent brush, one that's going to help you reach out to every strand of hair so you don't have anyone standing or flying over. Now I pegged down the base just to avoid distraction, and I'll be using the hair wax as well to add to the edges, just to ensure that my edges are all laid down and sleek. So now I'll be using the bobby pins to help hold my hair together, and I'll be starting from the back. You want to ensure that you really hold your hair together. You bring the parts together and ensure that they are firmly held down using the bobby pins. You can actually go for any size of the bobby pin as long as it's something that works for you. Okay, and whenever you use bobby pins, please try as much as possible to ensure that they are invisible, because when they get visible, I mean, it might not speak well of your hair or your style. So now I'm going next to coiling the hair. I've already plugged in my hair coiler, and I ensure that it is super hot before using it. So now I'll be taking the hair in bits to ensure that every strand of hair goes through the heat. Okay, so yeah, that was super easy. And again, because I stretched the hair before now, I mean, that made it lighter, so I didn't really have to waste so much time trying to ensure that my hairs are coiled up before I proceed to the next one. So when you stretch your hair, I think it actually helps you for better coiling. So guys, yeah, I can be crazy at times, especially when I'm styling my hair. There's this vibe that comes with, oh my god, I'm actually giving myself this extra elegance. Okay, so we're done coiling the back. Now we come over to the base, and now we're going to cut the base same way in bits and coil them respectively. Okay, so we're finally done coiling the base, and now I'm simply using the coiler to take down the edges. All right, just to ensure that there are no flyovers. And now this is the result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do well to like, share, and also subscribe, as I will be doing a lot more videos on how I go about styling my hair. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.